This is the machined rolled hem. You can see a visible machine stitch on the right side of the fabric here, and on the wrong side I've got a folded edge here. It's a really fine hem and it's perfect for lightweight fabrics and for a really delicate finish. This is the first rolled hemming technique, and I'm going to use a rolled hemming foot and sew this on the sewing machine. The rolled hemming foot looks like this, and you can see that it's got this strange kind of rolling device in the front end of the foot, and that's going to roll the fabric and make it much easier for me to achieve a really fine hem. The difficulty with this technique is getting the hem started, so I like to just turn under the edge by 1/2 centimetre first. Just rub that with my nail just to create a crease, and then roll that in again. So I've started to make the rolled hem without the foot. I put a pin in there just to hold that in place, and then I'm going to put that under the presser foot and just stitch the very beginning of this to secure it. So lift up the foot and just position that so that the needle's going to be going into that rolled edge. So I want the needle to be going into, close into the fold on the inner edge here. I pop the needle down and then just take a couple of stitches back and forwards. So that's just secured. Then I'm going to leave the needle in and take out the pin, and then lift up the presser foot, and then I'm going to just hook this, which is folded once, hook that over there. So I'm hooking the fold into that coil at the front, lower down the presser foot, and because I've already done a couple of stitches back and forth, I've got a little tail end of thread here that I can use to sort of pull the fabric through the machine to help me with my sewing. And then what I want to do is to just carry on just folding this raw edge in by about 1/2 centimetre, and as I do that I fold it under so that edge is turned under by about 1/2 centimetre, and then I sort of pull it up and slightly to the left as I go, and then I can use these threads at the back here to pull that out the back. When you get to the end, secure with some back stitches. This is my completed rolled hem. So you can see I've got a machine stitch that's visible there. I've got a really fine narrow hem along the bottom of my edge of fabric, and it's been folded twice, so I've got a folded inside edge there, and then from the right side you can see the line of machine stitching. It's even in its width from the folded edge, and it looks really neat. So I just need to edge finish with pinking shears and my sample's complete.